Hi, I'm Eve and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick gnocchi with a butter and sage sauce. First, I've boiled my potato and using a potato ricer, I've riced my potatoes. I'm going to use 1 egg yolk and mix that through the potato. Once you've incorporated the egg yolk into the potato mixture, we can start to add some plain flour. Mix the flour through the potato. Add a bit more flour. And you want this to be a dough-like consistency. Once the dough has started to take shape, flour the board, put it out onto the board, dust a little bit of flour over the top, and lightly knead it. Once your dough has started to take shape, roll it out into a log, put it to the side, clean the bench, and we can roll out the rest of the gnocchi. So just section the dough so it's easier to roll out. Again, flour your working space and roll it out. Once you've rolled out your dough, you can start to cut the gnocchi. So nice even pieces, and continue with the rest of your dough. Now that we've finished making the gnocchi, we're going to start on the butter and sage sauce. So today I'm using the Baccarat ID3 26cm fry pan, and I have it on a medium heat. Once that's nice and hot, I'm going to add some butter and let that melt down. Once your butter has melted, add in some sage leaves and pick the stalks off, and we're just going to let that cook away while we boil our gnocchi. Once your water has boiled, add some salt and then start adding the gnocchi into the boiling water. I'm just using the skimmer to lower the gnocchi into the pot. This way you're not going to have any hot water splashing onto you. I'll also be using the skimmer to take the gnocchi straight out of the pot and into the fry pan. Once the gnocchi have been cooking for about a minute or so, they'll start to rise to the top, and that's how you know they're ready. So give them a quick drain and straight into the fry pan. Once you've added all of your gnocchi in, give the pan a bit of a mix. Add some salt and pepper. And that should be ready to serve up.